Hi everyone, Josh here. I know it's really been a while since I've released my last video here. That's why I would like to apologize sincerely to all of you guys and all my subscribers out there. But hey, don't be worried, here I am. Be excited instead because very exciting videos are coming. I'm here to inform you that I will resume very soon publishing my videos, and also to let you know that I'm going to alter a little bit the future of my videos content. I will not be only teaching the Lingala in English, but this time I will be teaching the English in Lingala and French as well, with so many illustrations for your better understanding. So hold on tight, very exciting videos are coming. I'm not gonna let you hang in there without anything. I will leave you with two Lingala expressions that I've prepared for you today. We use these two expressions in Lingala to express a non-expected situation or something. So here we go. Pwasa. Pwasa. Pwasa is formal. Mbala kaka. Mbala kaka. These two expressions are similar. You can use either of them, but Pwasa, as I said, is formal. Mbala kaka is informal. Let me illustrate that. He suddenly appeared. He suddenly appeared. Abimina Pwasa. He popped up out of the blue. He popped up out of the blue. Abimina mbala kaka. Abimina mbala kaka. These two expressions, as I said, we use them to express an unexpected or sudden occurrence of something or a situation. I hope you liked it. And just hang in there. As I said, very exciting videos are coming. But until then,